Assalamualaikum and hi. So today in this video I will present to you about subtopic predation. So what is the definition of predation? Predation means the transfer of energy and nutrients in community. Predator and prey are both involved in predations. For your information, there are three types of predation, which is carnivory, herbivory and parasitism. In carnivory, carnivorous predator kills and eat their prey, and the common perception of carnivory involve large animals such as a shark, tiger or wolf hunting smaller animals like rabbit or deer. While herbivorous predation involve the consumption of autotrophs such as plants or photosynthetic algae. Unlike carnivory, not every herbivorous interaction leads to the death of the plants. And lastly, parasitism, which is a form of predation where the host supplies essential nutrients for the sustained survival and reproduction of the parasite. Next, I will explain to you how prey defends against predator in order to survive. Predation can result in the development of anti-predation strategies by prey populations. And prey defense can be divided into several different categories, which is chemical defense, predator cetaceans, alarm call, warning coloration, mimicry, and cryptic coloration, flashing coloration, and weapon and ammo. Next, let's see about prey defense in more detail. Firstly, chemical defense. There are three types of chemical defense, which is venom, secretions, and odor and toxic secondary substance. Firstly, snakes will spitting the venom to avoid predators or capture prey. Next is secretions. Arthropods, amphibians or reptiles take up secretion to repel predators like mammals or other insects. For example, in millipede, secretions of slimy substance may come out of body wall. And lastly, odor and toxic secondary substance. For example, skunk produce secretions that discourage predation and cause bad smell. Furthermore, the defense is warning coloration. Animals that possess pronounced toxins and other chemical defense often poses warning coloration. For example, bees. Next slide, we go through for other prey defense, which is armor and weapons. Clams, armadillos, turtles, beetles withdraw in their armor, cords or shells to protect them from any predator. Another example is hedgehog, which have sharp and painful hair. Other than that, predator cetacean, which means synchronization of birds to reduce predation of newborn. And next, we have alarm call. Alarm calls do function to one close relative. For example, ground squirrel. And moreover, the prey defense is cryptic coloration, and it's allow prey to hide from predators. It involves pattern, shapes, posture, movement, and behavior that make prey less visible. And other than that, we have flashing coloration, which is color may distract and disorientate predators. And lastly, mimicry. There are two types of mimicry, which is first Bayesians and second Mullerians. Bayesians means harmless species imitates the warning signals of a harmful species direct at a common predator, while Mullerians means mutual resemblance of two or more harmful species that are not closely related and share one or more common predators and have come to mimic each other's warning signal. And it's usually members of the same genus and family. For example, Viscroy and monarch butterfly.